It all depends on your budget. I don't know what exactly your budget, but if the budget is below like 60,000 or so, one can always indulge and safely buy a Tissot or a Sequin. They are so expensive, although they only tell you the time. But look at this. The machine that comprises, the movement that comprises almost 140 parts in this tiny little space. The craftsmanship, the materials used, the skills for the polishing, because even the parts, the engineering that goes into it, it's all workmanship. It has to work, tick 24/7. Not only that, 365 days, but it also has to be working, passes down from generation to generation. That's what makes it expensive. There's so much that goes into this watch. Very tough one. My best advice would be to buy it from an authentic brand boutique or a brand retailer. Nevertheless, if you want to look at the authentication, you can look at the serial number, the reference numbers, the hallmarks which are at the back of the watch, and the finishes which are there on the watch. I wouldn't say that you should buy watches for the financial investment. But yes, things have changed, and these days watches are bringing you a lot of money. Normally, a watch should be invested for your own self, enjoy it, for the emotion, for the happiness and the joy that it brings to you. But yes, if I had to name some, you can't go wrong with the Royal Oak from Audemars Piguet, Nautilus from Patek Philippe, Oyster Perpetual from Rolex, Cartier Tank. So go safely, invest in legendary, successful collections of different brands, but always look at collections which has legacy and which have been successful for years together. Of course, you can wear it daily. I mean, to say luxury watch has to be a quality watch. You can wear it daily, and secondly, the watch is worn for the emotion and the story, right? So it can be worn daily. But if you're wearing a leather watch and then swimming, please no. Obviously no. So leather strap cannot be worn in water. If you are swimming and you're wearing a diamond studded gold watch, I would say certainly no, unless it is water resistant.